Michelle, the day that I met you, my whole world turned around. You have been the missing piece I've been searching for.
I look at you and I see a man who will be a perfect husband. Without you, I genuinely don't know where I would be.
I am so lucky to have someone in my corner who I know will always be there supporting me.
You came into my life at one of my lowest points, and you've stuck by me through every next low.
You and I are meant for each other, and I'm gonna give you everything I got until the end. They say you know it. When you know it, I know it. I love you so much.
Your kindness and love will forever be reciprocated for as long as I am alive. Today, tomorrow, and for eternity, I want it to be you and me. I love you, Zach.
All my days, all my